question words in German are, so what is was? Was. Who is wer? Where is wo? When, it's wann. How would be wie. How much or how many would be wie viel oder wie viele. Okay, let's take a look now at this one. Okay, so in English, if you think about it, we also use how with adjectives in question. Like we ask how tall are you? How long is your hair? Okay. Or for example, how big is the house? Well, the same applies to German. So you would use this. You would use the and then adjective. Okay. So we would say, wie groß ist das Haus? Okay, so how big is the house? So whenever you need the adjective, you would use this. Okay. Next, when we take a look at this, so in English we use how much for singular and how many for plural. I mean countable and uncountable. And here it's like you use wie viel. We use wie viel for singular. Okay, or uncountable, like wie viel Zeit hast du? How much time do you have? Okay, but for example, wie viele Bananen isst du pro Tag? How many bananas do you eat a day? Okay, so it's similar, but if you use plural nouns, then you have to use wie viele. Also, as you will notice, we need inversion when it comes to questions. So even without question words or with them. So I can say, hast du einen Hund? Like, do you have a dog? What did I do? Well, I switched the verb and the subject, right? I said not du hast, but hast du. Okay, and we can also use the question word. For example, was hast du, was isst du zum Mittagessen? Okay, what do you eat for lunch? So, okay, question word always goes at the beginning and then you use the inversion. Okay, and that's basically that.